Okay, now let's check something. I don't have my hood on. Car sure does make a lot of more turbo noises. Crazy. It's not making any the weird noises it was. Oh shit. I need to go forward a little because I'll hit that post. I don't really have to look in my rearview mirrors at all. Yeah, my rear sensors are going off like crazy, and I don't know why. But I don't have any faults at all. Going through a list again, even when I was driving it. Like everything comes back normal. But why did it feel like I was having a misfire? Was it because of the hood? I don't know. But that's strange. That's Torque Pro right there. I'm at 110,875 miles. Probably way too close on that side. Well, not too bad. But this is definitely going to go on my Facebook and YouTube page. That's the Ultra Racing sway bar, the Stage 1 cold air intake from GM, upgraded headlights, the grill. I'm redoing the hood, which is up there right now. Which is right up here. I'm redoing the whole entire bottom so I can put the piece back in and make it sit correctly. But yeah, everything comes up normal. There are no fault codes. You heard it run. There were no issues. but I don't understand what the hell was going on. Oh yeah, and by the way, that's the Bluetooth controller that's supposed to be working for the Demon Eye headlights. But right now, they're just Decepticon. You heard how loud everything was when I was driving it, so I don't quite understand what the hell's going on here. No startup issues, no running issues. Factory replacement KO4. Powder coated just like my rims. Rebuilt at the same, those were rebuilt. I'm running the Z23 power stop. Give me a minute. Plus the 26 pads. I tell you what, they're hot, but I still have a lot of meat left on them, so I might replace them here soon. But yeah, I don't understand why this is having such an issue. I mean, like, there's nothing wrong without the hood on.